Hello, literature lovers. Today I am discussing a very interesting novel by a Nobel laureate, that is Kipling, and the work name is Kim. Now, talking about Kipling, he was born in Bombay. It was called by this name at that time, and he was really attached. Although he really never spent so much time, his works really talk about India. In fact, it contains such a great work. Read Mott What, and so much famous. Especially my personal favorites is Barrack Room Ballads, Jungle Book. It's part of my childhood memory, and so many others. And today, which I am discussing is Kim. It is Nobel Prize winner author, and talking about the work today, and the work is really very special, and it's a Nobel Prize winner author who really talk about it. The story unfolds against the backdrop of the Great Game. It was the political conflict between Russia, Britain, and which happened in the Central Asia. And the novel made the term the Great Game quite popular. So you can imagine the capacity of this work, which really changed it. And the illustrations were given by him, so it's filled with so much other things which really talk about it. So it is very important to know about the term the great game, which introduces the theme of the great power, rivalry, and intrigue between it. Now, talking about the story, it is set after the Second Afghan War, which ended in 1881, but before the third one, probably in the time period between 1893 to 1898. So the novel is notable for its detailed portrait of the people, culture, and varied religions of India. The book presents a vivid picture of India, its teeming population, religion, superstitions, and the life of bazaars and the road. Now, talking about the popularity, in fact, this novel was ranked at number 78 in the top 100 best English novels of the 20th century. And according to the Big Read, it is called the UK's best loved novel. So you can imagine. And the thing which I personally like about this work is the names of the character, especially O'Hara. Kimball, that is the Kim, the name of the novel is on this, an orphan son of an Irish soldier who is the protagonist, a poor white, the poorest of the poor. So you can imagine the intensity we just talk about. Now discussing the term the great game. It is very important. Characters, names, and their religious and their regional qualities and perspective all play a very important role. So there's so much to explain. And the themes, it's so much varied with each and every complex character portraying the soul and the soil of India. It is, man, no doubt he is a great writer and really deserve Nobel Prize in literature. And especially all the fascinated of the mysteriousness, all a part of it. It became very popular, and really, in fact, it is paid, so many homages were paid on this work, and so many other works used it as a backdrop. And name what Citizens of the Galaxy by Robert Helen, then Game of Empire by Paul Andrews, Tim Powers used the novel Declare, T.N. Murli used the word, and the sequel of Kim was made by T.N. Murari, sorry, and the name was The Imperial Agent, and it is a sequel to Kim. So this fact I hope would really help you. And there is also a mention in the work, the Pendragon Legend. It's by Antal Sizerberg. So many things and so many other aspects that really got acclaimed and talk about it. So many other critics talk about it. And the major one can be called Neeraj Singh Chaudhary considered it the best story about India itself, according to Neeraj Singh Chaudhary. Michael Odachi, I got a chance to meet him once in a Lit Fest, and whose famous work, The English Patient, there is a character, Kip, Kip. He is an Indian sapper serving in the British Army. Thanks for being part of it. Thank you.